and Daddy. Thank you. So funny, right?
You face the camera. What is it? What could it be? What could it be?
Wow. Wow. It's so fun it's so fun to play with.
What's that?
It's a puzzle. Let's open it.
It says, oh, don't open it yet because you have lots of gifts to open. It
Put
says,
it on the side.
look. Continents and
Okay lang ba na parang
Chance?
pataas?
How about this?
For,
No.
for,
Off.
of the word.
Yeah, oceans
World.
and continents and oceans of the world. So it's a
Alright, put it on
puzzle.
the side.
Okay, put it on the side na.
And choose another gift.
You open another one. Let's clean this up.
Oh, remember, ako ilang ba nakapataas? Choose one and then go there again and get the person who gave it to you. Which one?
This one.
Okay,
From
that's
mommy
from
and daddy again.
read. It's
I mean, Daddy.
to Arwen from
Mommy,
mommy and
Daddy.
daddy.
I'll go there.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Open it. Open it. Sa side. Yan. Yan. Diyan. Diyan mo pumitin.
Wow! Wow, it's a new one.
Yeah.
What's that? It's
Is it a
uh,
puppy?
alright, read it. It's
Pet. Pet house.
Oh,
how about this one, the small one.
I forgot.
No, read the letters. F. Oh.
I don't know.
Arwen, read the letters.
I don't know.
Funny. Pet house funny.
Pet house funny.
Mm.
Okay. Put it on the side.
Put
Choose
it on the
another
side.
gift.
Choose another gift.
We will play together later.
This one.
Oh, it's from. Read it.
From.
From Mommy and Daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Is it soft?
Yeah, look.
What's that?
Yes.
Guess what that is?
I think it's a bear cat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think. It is a bear cat.
How did you know?
I don't know.
Wow.
Wow.
Aww.
Hello.
Wow.
Okay, oh, get another one. How about that one? That's from Ate V and Kuya Gab. The bag, the big bag.
The Robinson.
I'll go for you.
Thank you, Ate Bri and Kuya Gab. Come on. Wait, thank ka muna sa camera.
Thank you, Ate Bri and Kuya Gab.
Ayan. See what is inside.
It's a backpack.
Wow, you have your backpack now.
Ganda ng bugo.
Yeah.
You have a really cool bag.
Yeah.
Choose another one.
This one.
Huh?
That's from?
It's a gray.
From?
What's this?
Tita Anna.
Okay.
Ana, Tita Ana.
Get one.
Go, go.
Okay.
Tatlo yan eh. Get one muna.
This one.
Okay. O, you go din muna.
It's hard. Thank you, Tita Anna. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Open it.
Let's open it. It might be much more makalat.
That's okay. So you put all the trash here.
What is it?
Wow!
What's that?
Wow!
Some kind of puzzle?
Yeah.
Rubber bands? Wow, that's cool.
Good. Get another one.
I'll give you the trash.
Another one. Tita Ana.
Over here.
Big one?
Bigger.
This is from Ari.
From
Tita Grace.
T.
Tito Vic and Tita Grace.
How about this one?
Happy birthday.
Fifth.
Fifth birthday. Arwen.
From.
From
The one at the bottom. Here. E. Oh. It's not two. Tito.
Tito. Vic. And
Okay.
Go.
thank you, Tita Grace.
It's from Tito Vic and Tito Grace. One more.
Thank you, Tito Vic. Thank you.
Lapit ka.
Thank you, Tita Vic. Thank you, Tita Grace.
Salamat.
Salamat po sa Diyos.
Laki niyan. Mas malaki pa sa'yo yun ah.
Look, it's taller than me.
Open it.
It's Japanese. I can read it.
Japanese. What could it be? Oh, big. Ay, wala.
No,
Box lang?
no, it's not.
This is just a box. It's just a box.
No, it's not.
Not just a box. Maybe you need daddy to open it. Use some scissors. Here. I have scissors here. I'm gonna help you open it. You need some scissors.
Kuya yata to. Hindi ka rote.
Barbie. you, Tita Grace. Salamat po sa Diyos.
What could it be? Ang dami na. What could it be?
Let me see the making of it.
Here.
Oh, yes, Grace.
What is it?
Hello Kitty car.
Huh? Wow!
Sa remote control car.
Wow! It's so real!
I can put it in the kitchen.
Wow! What else?
This one.
Okay, from
From
the house to
Ano mo ba
Tita Grace and Tito B.
okay.
Thank you, Tita Grace. Thank you, Tito Big.
Salamat.
Salamat po sa Diyos.
Wow! What's that?
Tito Grace.
Huh?
Grace.
Walis! Is it for you?
Yeah, look.
Oh! Are you going to use that? Huh? Gamitin mo yan?
Ta-da!
Wow! Daddy, look at her gift. Oh, you can start now. Show it to the camera. Iwalis isa. Itong dalawa. Go. Tulis ka na. Yan. Ito. Yan. Pwede na. O, sige. Pwede na yan. Okay. Tapos dito. Okay, thank you. Tumikit. Oh, choose another one. Dami.
I think we can choose this one. It has lots of candles on it.
Okay. Who is it from?
Ito bigyan Tita Grace ulit.
Okay.
Thank you, Tito Big. Thank you, Tita Grace. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Go. Tatlo lang pala yan. Hindi lang sa kanya. Dahil sila na. Ay, nakasili na. Ay, hindi yung buhok mo mo.
Wala.
Wow!
Wow!
What's that?
It's a drawing. Drawing.
A drawing table.
There's more. Ito na lang. Dalawa. Ay, dami ko pala. Tatlo pa. Tatlo pa.
I want this one.
Okay. Sino yan?
Tito Big and Tita Grace. Thank you, Tito Big. Thank you, Tita Grace. Salamat po sa Diyos. Why are you laughing?
But you're good. I'm not laughing. I'm just happy. Look! Wait, ano? Wow! Wow! May bell pa! It's a game. It's a puzzle game. Wow! We can
This
play that
one is funny.
on the weekend.
Thank you, Tita Anna. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Wow! It's for coloring. This one, what's this? So cute, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the last one. This is the last gift that you have. Then we're done. Kayo na yung galing.
From Tita Anna.
Okay.
Thank you, Tita Anna.
Now,
Salamat po sa Diyos.
wow! Paper cut. Ah, so you can cut. You can cut with those.
When you open it na,
Okay. Can you tell everybody? Thank you everybody for your gifts. Salamat sa pictures.
thank you everybody for your gift.
Salamat.
Salamat po sa Diyos.
I love you.
I love you guys.
That's all for today's video. Please.
What?
That's all for today's video.
That's all that for today's video. Bye.